Hello, friends. How are you? Welcome to back my channel. We have the legendary Washington quarter dollar, one of the most iconic coins in American history. Don't let its small size fool you. This coin has made millionaires overnight. Some rare era versions, like the 1977D and 1932 S quarters, or the 1965 silver transitional era, are among the most sought-after pieces in a collector's market. Coins showing double dies, off-center strikes, or unusual metal compositions can skyrocket in value. Even a quarter that looks dirty or discolored might hide a minting mistake worth thousands of dollars. Always look closely. These coins tell stories of history, error, and fortune. Next up, we move to the Susan B. Anthony $1 coin, a bold tribute to one of America's most inspiring women. Although it was minted for only a short period, its value among collectors has soared, especially the 1979 P wide rim and 1981 proof strike versions. Some Susan B. Anthony coins show amazing color changes, struck through grease errors or multiple die clashes that make them unique and extremely valuable. Even coins in worn or tarnished condition can fetch massive prices if the error is rare enough. And finally, we come to the shining star of the modern dollar, the Sacagawea golden dollar coin. With its brilliant golden tone and powerful symbolism, it stands as a tribute to Native American courage and leadership. But the real magic lies in its errors. The 2000 P Cheerios dollar, the 2000 Sacagawea /state quarter mule error, and coins with unusual gold dark toning or double edges are worth staggering amounts today. These coins, often hiding in old drawers or pocket change, could easily transform into a collector's treasure. So remember, every coin you hold could carry a hidden story and unimaginable wealth. Whether it's a Washington quarter, a Susan B. Anthony, or a Sacagawea dollar, keep your eyes open and your curiosity alive, because in the world of rare coins, even the dirtiest coin can shine like copper. First up, welcome to a story that could completely change your life, a story about a small coin with a giant destiny. The 2001 P Mint Mark Sacagawea $1 copper coin from America is one of those rare pieces that collectors whisper about with awe and excitement. It's more than just a coin. It's a symbol of mystery, fortune, and history wrapped in a golden hue. Many people have overlooked it, spending it unknowingly, not realizing they were holding what could be worth millions of dollars in today's coin market. This coin isn't just currency. It's a key to unimaginable wealth, a hidden gem that could turn an ordinary person into an overnight billionaire if discovered in its rarest form. The 2001 P Sacagawea coin was minted in Philadelphia, and while millions were made, only a few carry the rare error characteristics that make them priceless today. Some of these unique coins were struck on the wrong metal planchet, specifically a copper base instead of the usual manganese brass finish. This mistake created a deep, rich tone and distinctive weight that sets it apart from regular issues. Collectors and experts believe these rare copper variations were never meant to leave the U.S. Mint, making every genuine piece a once-in-a-lifetime find. When you hold one, you're not just holding a coin, you're holding a piece of minting history that slipped through the cracks of perfection. What truly drives the value of this coin into the millions isn't just its metal. It's the combination of beauty, error, and survival. Imagine a coin struck slightly off-center, or one showing ghostly double images of Sacagawea's features, or even a piece with darker tones caused by the high copper mix. These small, seemingly accidental flaws create a uniqueness that collectors crave. To them, these imperfections are not mistakes. They are the fingerprints of history, rare signs of production anomaly that can't be replicated. And in the world of coin collecting, rarity is everything. Over the years, stories have emerged of people finding what appear to be ordinary Sacagawea coins in drawers, piggy banks, or old boxes, only to discover they were holding treasures worth a fortune. The thrill of such discovery is what fuels the heart of every coin collector. The 2001 P Copper Sacagawea dollar is one of those dream finds. It stands as a reminder that hidden among everyday objects can be wealth beyond imagination. The rich golden bronze glow of the coin, often darkened by time or dirt, adds to its charm, making even a tarnished piece look majestic and powerful. The coin's front, showing the noble portrait of Sacagawea carrying her infant son Jean-Baptiste, represents courage and exploration, but it also carries a spiritual connection, something that collectors deeply feel. Its reverse, with the soaring eagle, symbolizes freedom, strength, and opportunity. Together, they create not just a design, but an emotional masterpiece. The 2001 P Mint Mark version is especially celebrated because it comes from a period when minting transitions and experiments were happening, which led to several unnoticed errors escaping into circulation. That's why every 2001 P you come across should be inspected carefully. It could be the golden ticket to your destiny. In today's market, where rare coins are being auctioned for jaw-dropping amounts, the Sacagawea 2001 P copper error coin has become a legend. While most regular coins are worth face value, these rare variants have reached valuations that defy belief, some experts estimating millions due to their extreme scarcity. Private collectors, museums, and international buyers compete fiercely for just one verified specimen. Its potential worth grows every year as more collectors enter the market, and fewer of these rare pieces remain unclaimed. The most fascinating part of this coin story is how it turns the ordinary into the extraordinary. A single piece that looks dull or dirty could, in truth, be worth more than gold bars. The copper-toned error gives off a warm, reddish shine, different from the typical golden hue of the standard dollar. It's as if the coin itself glows with the energy of its destiny, waiting for someone with a sharp eye to recognize its power. That's why collectors advise never to ignore a Sacagawea coin that looks slightly different. Its color, weight, or even sound when dropped could reveal a hidden fortune. So if you ever find a 2001 P Sacagawea $1 coin, don't rush to spend it. Hold it up to the light, feel its texture, and study its shade. That single coin could be your miracle moment, the kind of discovery that transforms your fortune overnight. In the glittering world of coin collecting, this isn't just metal, it's magic. It's proof that history rewards those who pay attention. The 2001 P copper Sacagawea dollar remains a symbol of luck, legacy, and limitless value, a treasure waiting for the right hands to claim its secret. Next up, welcome to a world where a small piece of silver can hold the power to rewrite destiny. The 1979 P Mint Mark Susan B. Anthony $1 coin from America. This is not an ordinary coin. It's a rare historical masterpiece, a symbol of power, courage, and fortune hidden in plain sight. At first glance, it looks like any other dollar coin, but beneath its silvery surface lies the potential for unimaginable wealth, worth millions in today's collector market. People have spent these coins unknowingly, never realizing that one of them could have been their key to overnight fortune. This isn't just a story about money. It's about history, rarity, and the magic of discovery that can make anyone a billionaire in the blink of an eye. The 1979 P. Susan B. Anthony coin holds a special place in U.S. minting history. It was the first U.S. dollar coin to feature a real woman, Susan B. Anthony, the fearless leader who fought for women's rights and equality. This coin marked a bold step toward progress, but also became the center of one of the most fascinating mysteries in numismatic history. Most of these coins were made in a copper-nickel blend, but a few rare error versions were struck with a pure silver composition, creating a one-of-a-kind rarity that collectors have been chasing for decades. The Philadelphia Mint, marked by the P, unknowingly produced a handful of these silver error coins, and that's where the legend begins. These rare silver specimens shine with a brilliance unlike the regular copper-nickel version. Their metallic tone has a deeper, purer glow that reflects light differently, a clue that often goes unnoticed. Some even carry striking minting errors, such as double-die impressions, broad strikes, or off-center prints, giving them a unique identity and skyrocketing their value in the collector's world. If you have one of these coins, especially in silver or with visible minting imperfections, you could be sitting on a treasure worth millions of dollars. Even a slightly tarnished or dirty one can fetch staggering amounts because the true worth lies in its rarity and story, not its shine. What makes this coin truly extraordinary is how it blends symbolism with serendipity. The image of Susan B. Anthony herself, strong and determined, gazing toward the future, represents the same courage and ambition that drives collectors to hunt for this treasure. Her presence on a coin that later became an object of immense wealth feels almost poetic, as if destiny designed it to carry both historical and financial power. The P Mint Mark, Sitting quietly below her portrait is the silent signature of the Philadelphia Mint, where magic and mistake met to create this $1 million masterpiece. Over the years, stories have surfaced of ordinary people discovering this coin by accident, tucked in side drawers, passed as change, or found in old family collections. Each discovery sparks the same disbelief. How could something so small hold such staggering value? The reason lies in its extreme scarcity. Very few silver-struck 1979 P coins exist, and their survival add a layer of mystique that pushes collectors into fierce bidding wars. Auctions have seen eye-watering offers for even slightly damaged examples, proving that the value of this coin goes far beyond its face value. It's a living artifact of minting perfection and human error colliding. The most captivating detail about the 1979 P silver dollar is its aura. When held, it feels heavier, almost commanding, as if it knows its worth. The gleam has a certain depth, and the edge carries a subtle difference in tone, signs that trained eyes recognize instantly. Many coin experts believe that these rare silver versions were never meant to circulate, and that their accidental release was a result of experimental strikes or planchet misfeeds during early minting runs. This mysterious origin fuels the legend, turning each piece into a conversation between history, fate, and fortune. Today, the 1979 P Mint Mark Susan B. Anthony silver coin is more than just a collector's dream. It's an opportunity to change lives. In an age where digital money dominates, this humble metal disc still holds the power to command millions. Collectors, investors, and historians alike see it as a perfect blend of rarity and representation. Its value continues to climb as fewer pristine examples remain, and the fascination surrounding its origin grows stronger every year. It's not just money. It's magic trapped in metal, a timeless reminder that greatness can come in the smallest forms. So if you ever come across a 1979 P Susan B. Anthony $1 coin, don't ignore it. Look closely at its color, its weight, its shine, because what you might think is an ordinary dollar could actually be your golden or silver miracle. Hold it tight, protect it, and get it examined. Because if it turns out to be one of the elusive silver mint errors, your life could change forever. This coin carries the spirit of Susan B. Anthony herself, strong, bold, and destined to make history. And maybe, just maybe, it's waiting in your hands to turn your fortune from ordinary to legendary overnight. Next up, welcome to the world of hidden fortunes, where history and luck come together in a small yet powerful piece of metal. The 1977 D Mint Mark Washington $quarter silver coin from America. This coin may seem ordinary at first glance, but beneath its worn surface lies the possibility of unimaginable wealth. It's the kind of coin that turned a casual collector into an overnight billionaire, a story that feels like magic, but is grounded in an extraordinary world of minting errors and rare treasures. The 1977 D Washington quarter holds the power to change destinies, to turn an everyday pocket change into a ticket to a life of luxury and fame. The Washington quarter, named after America's first president, carries an aura of national pride and timeless strength. Minted in Denver, identified by the D mark, the 1977 edition was produced in massive quantities, but only a microscopic fraction of those coins were struck on the wrong metal planchet, creating what collectors now call the 1977 D silver quarter era coin. Most quarters from that era were made from a copper-nickel composition, yet a few were mistakenly minted using leftover silver planchets from previous years. That error transformed those few coins into priceless pieces of history, with values that now reach millions in private auctions. The silver version of this coin has a beauty that sets it apart from regular issues. Its shine is deeper, its tone cooler, and its ring when dropped is sharper, a melody that speaks of purity and perfection. Some of these coins even carry visible minting errors like double die impressions, broad strikes, or slight off-centering, all of which make them even more valuable. Collectors crave these imperfections, seeing them not as flaws but as a signature of authenticity, the rare fingerprints of the U.S. Mint's accidental masterpiece. Each one is unique, and that uniqueness fuels a desire that drives collectors to pay unimaginable sums to own it. But beyond its physical beauty, the 1977 D Silver Washington quarter represents something more powerful, the unpredictable fusion of chance and destiny. Imagine finding one in an old coin jar, its silver glow muted by years of use, unaware that it's worth more than a luxury home. Countless stories exist of people who discovered such treasures in circulation or family collections, coins that looked dirty or dull but turned out to be worth millions. It's a reminder that fortune often hides in the most ordinary places, waiting for the right eyes to recognize its worth. The face of George Washington, noble and determined, reminds every holder of this coin that greatness endures. His image, paired with the eagle on the reverse side spreading its wings in freedom, gives the coin a sense of honor and purpose. The D mint mark, resting quietly below the date, is the secret key, proof that this coin came from Denver, where a few rare silver errors were born. This symbol has become a beacon for collectors who dream of finding the one coin that will rewrite their financial story forever. In today's coin market, the 1977 D silver quarter is more than a collector's prize. It's a living legend. Its estimated value has climbed into the millions due to its scarcity, demand, and mystique. Auction houses and private collectors fight fiercely for verified specimens, often pushing bids beyond imagination. The thrill of owning such a coin isn't just in its price tag. It's in holding a piece of American minting history, a tangible reminder that even small mistakes can create timeless treasures. Each silver quarter discovered sends shockwaves to the collecting community, reigniting the hunt for more hidden riches. What makes this coin even more magical is its mystery. Many experts believe that these silver quarters were the result of leftover planchets from the 1960 silver coin era, accidentally mixed during the minting of copper-nickel coins. Others believe they were test strikes or unrecorded special issues. Whatever the truth, the rarity is unquestionable, and every discovery deepens the legend. The few known examples have fetched staggering prices, with whispers of private deals reaching 7 figures or more. To possess one is to own a piece of numismatic history that glows brighter with every passing year. So if you ever come across a 1977 D Washington $quarter coin, don't dismiss it as ordinary change. Look at it shine, test its sound, and feel its weight. A true silver quarter will feel different, heavier, colder, and alive with energy. That small round piece of metal could be the key to transforming your life overnight. It carries the spirit of George Washington, the pride of America, and the secret of unimaginable fortune. The 1977 D mint mark silver quarter isn't just a coin. It's destiny in your hands, waiting for the moment when you realize that what you hold isn't just worth $1. It's worth a lifetime of dreams fulfilled. See you in the next video.